Students, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all are good and safe at home and you are studying well at home. And my dear students, today I am very happy to tell you that you have learned many new topics in English subject. And once again, you are going to learn one more new topic today. That is adjective. Adjective is our topic for today. My dear students, as you know, in our previous classes, we learnt noun, pronoun, verb, and now we are going to learn an adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is one of the parts of speech. We have 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Once again, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. There are 8 words. All these 8 words we call them parts of speech. So, adjective is one of the parts of speech. Now, first let us know what is an adjective. The describing words are called adjectives. The describing words are called adjectives. Describing words. Now, my dear students, normally we talk some or we use some more words to describe or to explain a person or a place or a thing sometimes when it requires. We say, I have a good friend. Now, I have a friend. That is one sentence. I have a good friend. Now, good is one extra word we used to describe your friend. So, adjectives are describing words. Adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun, that is a person or a place or a thing, etc. So, simply you can remember all describing words are adjectives. All describing words are adjectives. I have written some examples for you here. You can look at the board. A tall boy. Now here, if you look at a tall boy. Now here, what is the describing word? Tall. Now tall is describing that boy. That boy is a tall boy. So tall is adjective here. Similarly, I will underline so that you will feel comfortable here. Tall. Tall is an adjective. Next, a sweet fruit. Now, fruit. Fruit is a noun. Now, you are describing that fruit. What kind of fruit is that? That is a sweet fruit, or it is a sweet fruit. So, sweet is describing. Sweet is describing the fruit. A long rope. Now, here say long rope. Now, rope, it is, we call it in Telugu, Tadu, rope. So, a long rope. Now, here long is describing the length of the rope. So, long is an adjective because long is describing that the rope is very lengthy. A fat boy. Now here fat boy. A boy. A boy. Boy is a common noun. Now, how that boy looks? How is that boy? That boy is a fat boy. Now fat is describing the size of his body. Fat boy. So fat is describing word, or you can call it an adjective. Next, a new house. A new house. A house. Oka illu. A house. It is a common noun. A house. House is a common noun. Now when you say new house, now you are adding one more word to house. What is that new word you have added? What is one more word you have added? New. So new, when you add, then it becomes the house is a new house. That house is a new house. Newly built house. A thick book. Here, a thick book. So here book is a common noun. A thick book and thin book. When you have more number of pages, or if you see the book is very fat, you say it is a thick book. Thin book, when you have very few pages in that book. When you find few pages in that book, we say a thin book. A thin book, a fat book. Fat book means you have more number of pages in it. Suppose a book you have 20 pages and another book you have 100 pages. Now which one is the thick book? The book which has 100 pages, it is a thick book. The book which has 20 pages, it is a thin book. So thick is an adjective. Next, a round shape. A round shape. Now we have different shapes like circular shape or rectangular shape, triangular shape, square shape. Different shapes we have. So here, what kind of shape is it? It is a round shape. Round is an adjective. Round shape means it is in circular shape. It is in circular shape. So all these words we call them describing words, because all these words describes these nouns. Boy, fruit, rope, again boy, house, book, shape. All these words described by these adjectives. Some more examples here you can see here. A short girl. Now here short. A short girl. So short is the opposite of long. So a short girl. Now short is a word describing the size of how long, how height the girl is. Here the short describes the girl's height or the height of the girl. An old umbrella. Here see, an old umbrella. Now umbrella is a noun. Now what kind of umbrella? Umbrella can be a new umbrella, an old umbrella, a black color umbrella. So here it is old umbrella. So old is describing umbrella. So this is also describing word, or this is an adjective. Next you see an intelligent man. An intelligent man. Now man is a common noun. Man. Man, woman, boy, girl, student, teacher, all these are common nouns. Now let us come to this point. Man is also a common noun. Now what kind of the man is? The man is an intelligent man. Now intelligent. Intelligent means clever. The man is clever man. The man is intelligent man. Next, A tall tree. A tall tree. Now here you can see a tall tree. Now here a tall tree. Now tree. There are different sizes and shapes of tree. Now here particularly we are talking about what kind of tree? It is a tall tree. It is a tall tree. Sometimes we say it is a short tree. It is an old tree. Like that, here it is a tall tree. Next one you see here, a red flag. Now here, red flag. Now here you can see this word red. Red indicates the color. Now, what color the flag is? The flag is a red color flag. That's why it is said a red flag. So red is an adjective, red. Now, all these underlined words are describing words, or we can call them adjectives. Okay, children? There are many examples we can write. Many adjectives are there you can write. Once you go through your textbook, you will find some more adjectives. Now, I have written some more activities or examples for you. If you see here, circle the adjectives. Now, I have given some sentences. Here, you have to identify which word is an adjective, which word is an adjective, and that word you have to circle. Only adjective you have to circle. Only describing word you have to circle. Adjective or describing word. Both are same. Now, let us see first sentence. She has a pair of black shoes. She has a pair of black shoes. Here, find out first which one is a noun. Here you can find shoes. It is a noun. Now, what color the shoe is? The shoe is in black color. Now, the shoe is in which color? It is in black color. So, black. Black you can circle. Black is an adjective. Next you see, Naresh is a brave man. Brave. Brave means dhairyamu. So Naresh is a brave man. Sahasamu gala, dhairyamu gala. Now Naresh is a brave man. Now man is a noun. Now what kind of man is he? What quality this man has? Brave quality. So brave is an adjective. Next you see third sentence. I have some money. I have no money also you can say if you don't. I have some money. I have a lot of money. So here I have some money. Money is a noun. Now some. I have some money. Money here tells the quantity that you have. I have some money. So some is adjective. Next you see another sentence. They sing new songs. They sing new songs. They sing songs also it is a sentence. But when you say they sing new songs, now what is songs? Songs is noun. It is a noun. Now what type of songs they sing? They sing new songs. New. New is an adjective. They sing new songs. Sometimes we say they sing old songs. They sing devotional songs. The devotional songs means the song which we sing praying God. Devotional songs. So here they sing new songs. Next sentence you see. Tony has more pens. Tony has more pens. Here which is an adjective here. More is an adjective because here it shows the number. How many are there? How many pens Tony has? Tony has more pens. maybe more than you or more than your friend. So Tony has more pens. More is an adjective. Next sentence you see, it is a big basket. It is a big basket. Here, what is noun? Basket is a noun. Basket. Now, which is an adjective? Big is an adjective. Big is an adjective. Because big is describing the basket, its size. Big basket. Big is explaining the size of the basket. Sometimes we say it is a big basket or small basket or new basket or colorful basket, like that. Now these are some examples, my dear students. I have some more examples. I will explain them. Just listen to them. And what is this? Just let us see. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives. Here you may get this kind of questions. You will have to fill up with suitable adjectives. First one, A. Ramesh gave me a dash gift. Ramesh gave me a dash gift. Now, here you can write any suitable adjective. Any suitable adjective, your choice. For example, here we can write Ramesh gave me a beautiful. You can write a beautiful gift. He gave me a beautiful gift. Beautiful also an adjective. My sister wants a dash table. My sister wants a dash table. Here you can write my sister wants a round table. You can write round. My sister wants a round table. Next you see, they saw an dash bird. They saw an dash bird. So here they saw an ugly, ugly. They saw an ugly bird. Ugly is opposite of beautiful. Next, your brother wore a dash coat. Your brother wore a dash coat. Coat. Sometimes we say long coat, short coat, black coat, brown coat. So here you can write any suitable adjective, your choice. It is not that only this is the suitable adjective. Suppose I will take your brother wore a black coat. Black coat. Now here black describes the color of the coat. Next, Neeta likes dash color. Neeta, a girl, likes dash color. Any adjective you can take, any suitable adjective. For example, Neeta likes yellow. Neeta likes yellow color. Yellow is the name of a color. So here color is, yellow is an adjective. I want a dash bag. I want a dash bag. Now here I want a dash bag. Many are there, as I said just now. I want a good bag. Or you can write I want a new bag. I want an old bag. Anything you can write. Next, we saw a dash building. We saw dash building. So we saw here you can write tall. Tall. We saw a tall building. So tall is an adjective. Next, my friend went for a dash ride. My friend went for a dash ride. Ride means when people go on motorcycle, on car for a long journey. It is called a ride. So my friend went for a long ride. Long. Long ride. Next one. He is a dash actor. He is a dash actor. He is a famous. He is a famous actor or popular actor. Anything you can write. Those are dash trees. Those are dash trees. So those are, you can write short or long. Those are short trees or those are small trees. So it describes the size of the trees. So my dear students, we have learnt here adjective. It is describing word and it describes a person, place or thing. I hope this topic is clear to you and you will practice it. You will write some more sentences and you will learn it. Thank you.